In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page with Hostinger Website Builder. First, open your Hostinger Website Builder editor. This is your main workspace where you'll make all the changes your visitors will see. Give it a moment to load your site and make sure you're in the editor view so you can drag and drop elements and make visual tweaks in real time. Next, decide where your coming soon message will live. You can create a new page dedicated to it or simply edit your existing homepage. If you're starting from scratch, create a new page and name it clearly so you can find it later. If your homepage is already set up and you want that to act as your placeholder, open the homepage for editing. Now add a clear, bold heading that tells visitors your website is coming soon. Keep it simple and direct. Phrases like website coming soon or we're launching soon work well because they leave no doubt about what's happening and set expectations right away. Under that heading, add supporting text. This is where you can share a short description of what's coming, an estimated launch timeframe if you have one, and how people can stay in the loop. If it's helpful for your audience, include basic contact details so visitors can reach you while the site is under construction. You can also add a sign-up form to capture email addresses for launch updates. Keep forms short, usually just a name and email, to encourage signups. With the core message in place, customize the background, layout, and branding to match your style. Choose a background color or image that reflects your brand, adjust spacing so the content breathes, and use your brand fonts and colors for a polished, consistent look. Make sure your text is legible with good contrast and keep the design uncluttered so the message stands out. If you only want visitors to see the coming soon page, hide any unnecessary pages. In your page list or navigation settings, toggle off visibility for pages you don't want public yet. This keeps curious visitors from wandering into unfinished sections and ensures everyone lands on your coming soon message. When everything looks right, save your changes and publish the website. Publishing makes your coming soon page live, so visitors immediately see your update. That's it. Your placeholder is up, your message is clear, and you're ready to build momentum while you finish the rest of your site.